Hi there, it's Tom Morgan here. Just a bit of a roundup from day one from Future Decoded in London. It's just coming to the end of the day now, and we're going to move into the community takeover, which I'm going to talk about in a moment. But a really good day, really busy day. Started off with some keynotes at the top of beginning of the day, including Panos Panay announcing the new Surface Book LTE that's coming out soon, and also some new Surface Books as well. So that's kind of super exciting. It's great that that Microsoft have chosen Future Decoded to launch them at. And it was also great to hear from Julia White as well about some of the other stuff Microsoft's working on, and some of the cool Azure stuff as well. And then there was a technical keynote as well. Loads and loads of stuff about artificial intelligence, loads of stuff about bot framework, cognitive services. That's a real theme this year. So that's really where Microsoft think the future's at, and plenty of call outs to cognitive services and to AI. There's a cool demo of a Stack Overflow bot. So using the data in Stack Overflow to present a bot front end that tries to answer your questions, that seemed really cool. And then also some machine ML stuff to do some really cool image processing. So I thought that was really good. And then didn't really get a chance to go to any of the other kind of sessions, because I sort of spent the remainder of the time on the expo floor, catching up with people, meeting people and stuff like that. So really nice, really good vibe. I think today Microsoft has done a good job of fusing together the business and the technical today. I think there's plenty of high level visionary stuff, and lots of things for business leaders and directional stuff. There's also some fairly deep technical stuff as well, and some heavy kind of machine learning and artificial intelligence stuff to kind of get your teeth into as well. And I think that's sort of reflected out on the expo floor as well. It's a good mixture of technical and business. What is happening in about an hour's time at 6 o'clock is something called the community takeover. I thought this was a really good idea actually. There's 7 different community groups, and these guys tend to hold their own meetups anyway outside of this, but they're all converging together in one place tonight. So what's going to happen is there's going to be an hour of kind of networking and a bit of food and drink, and then each of the sessions are going to have their own. They're going to do their own meetup, have their own session, but they're all going to happen in the same place, all just different rooms in the same within the expo hall, within the conference centre. So I thought that was a really good idea. It's great to kind of get all these groups together, and it would be great to kind of see wherever, network a bit and say hello to some different people. So kind of excited for that. I did try and do some kind of live streaming throughout today of walking around the expo hall and stuff like that. The thing I found pretty quickly was that having really good internet access is a prerequisite for live streaming, or at least having some internet access is a prerequisite for live streaming. I was trying to use the conference Wi-Fi. It was a bit patchy, but I got some stuff in. I might try again tomorrow. I might try LTE tomorrow. It doesn't matter if I burn through all my data on the last day, right? So I'll give that a go, but go and have a look at my YouTube channel. There's some videos on there. They'll probably be tagged with the my front row hashtag, because I'm using the front row cam to kind of take the footage, which seems to be working out really well actually. I'm just kind of wearing it around my neck and letting it kind of record and live stream as I go. Just need to remember not to wear it into the toilets and stuff, but seems to be working out okay. Alright, so I'm going to take that along with me tonight to the community takeover. But yeah, really good first day, and looking forward to the second day of Future Decoded.